Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make slice and rotate animation in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for VC, and for example I'm going to add this video to the clip. And then how to add slice and rotate animation. But before, I'm going to split the clip into some part like this. And then go to animation and click combo animation, and you can find slice and rotate animation here. You can select this slice and rotate 1 or 2. Just download the animation and then just click to add, and do as before to others clip. You can adjust for a duration here. So here we go. Just click play button for the result. Okay, I think it's let's click a duration like this. So here we go. Okay, but it's not perfect, just example. So how to make slice and rotate animation in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciating. Thanks, bye bye.